Hello my dear Wolff Blitz friends, welcome to Trade Center A20. My dear Wolff Blitz friends, have you ever wondered how to create a fun and inspiring work environment? Well, of course, Wolff Blitz has the answer. Follow me. Here at A20, we made a custom-made round sofa. That's also why I'm wearing the markthal design inspired by the ceiling work of Arno Koenen, and you can see the same work here on the sofa because the owner of the building liked the markthal design so much that he wanted here at the reception of his building, and he decorated himself with this beautiful olive tree. Well, this is not the only thing we have made here, but for that you have to stay tuned and keep watching. Here we are at the company canteen. It's a shared space where the co-renters and the co-workers can have a lunch together. And for this canteen we were inspired by, of course, as you can see, Wolff Blitz. And we made a long sofa on the wall, custom made special for this space. And it was made to measure, beautifully done. And all the chairs, as you see here, all the colors we used come also back in the Wolff Blitz paintings. So, my dear Wolff Blitz friends, do you also want a very inspiring workspace? Contact Wolff Blitz and we will design your inspiring workspace together. Tot ziens at Wolff Blitz Gallery or wolffblitz.com. Bye bye.